Welcome to another video. In this lesson we're going to explore composite volume. Remember, the volume is the amount of space inside a three-dimensional object. Composite volume is where two or more three-dimensional shapes are placed together and you have to find the total volume. Here are some examples of composite volume. Alright, let's get straight into example number 1. Calculate the volume of the following shape. Well, I hope you can see it's just two cuboids placed on top of each other. So I'm going to draw a line across here and have a small cuboid on top of a large cuboid. We'll start with cuboid number 1, the cuboid on the top. To work out the volume, base times height times depth. Well, the base is 5. The height is 4. And the depth, I hope you can see, is equivalent to this 3 centimeters, which is that depth. So 5 times 4 times 3 gives a volume of 60 centimeters cubed. Alright, well, cuboid number 2 is the larger cuboid on the bottom. And we're going to find the volume by going base times height times depth. The base is 12. The height is 4 and the depth is also 3, so 12 times 4 times 3 gives us a volume of 144 centimeters cubed. So to find the total volume of this shape, we're going to add up the volume of the top cuboid, which is 60, plus the volume of the bottom cuboid, which is 144, to get a total volume of 204 centimeters cubed. Right, example number 2. Estimate the volume of this beach changing room. Well, I hope you can see it's just a cuboid on the bottom and a triangular prism on the top. So we'll start with the cuboid. To work out the volume of a cuboid, we need to go base times height times depth. Well, the base is 1.8, the height is 2.5 meters, and the depth you can see is 1.4 meters. So 1.8 times 2.5 times 1.4 gives a volume of 6.3 meters cubed. Right, now we turn our attention to the triangular prism on the top, the roof. The volume of a prism is the area of the cross-section multiplied by the depth. Well, hopefully you can see that the cross-section is this triangle here. It has a base of 1.8 meters and a height of 0.6 meters. So, the volume is equal to base times height divided 2, that's the area of a triangle, times the depth. So 1.8 is the base of the triangle, 0.6 is the height, divide that by 2, and then we're going to multiply it all by the depth to get volume, and the depth of this beach changing room is 1.4 meters. That gives us 0.756 meters cubed. So to get the total volume of the beach changing room, we add up the volume of the cuboid at the bottom, 6.3, and the volume of the triangular prism, 0.756, to give a total volume of 7.056 meters cubed. Great, thank you very much for watching.